According to several reports, 13 civilians and a soldier were killed near Myanmar border in Nagaland as a counter-insurgency operation went awry today. The security forces were set for a counter-insurgency operation in Mon district that borders Myanmar, sources said. Following a tip-off about possible movement of insurgents, they had laid an ambush near Oting village, but they opened fire on a vehicle on the Tiru Oting road which was carrying villagers, police sources said. Soon after, angry locals surrounded the security forces. Police sources said at least 7 villagers were injured as the forces opened fire at the mob in self-defense. 3 vehicles of the security forces were also set on fire. In a statement, the army said, based on credible intelligence of likely movement of insurgents, a specific operation was planned to be conducted in the area of Tiru, Mon district, Nagaland. The incident and its aftermath is deeply regretted. The cause of the unfortunate loss of lives is being investigated at the highest level and appropriate action will be taken as per the course of law, the statement added. The statement also said security forces have suffered severe injuries in the incident and a soldier has died. Union Home Minister Amit Shah tweeted, anguished over an unfortunate incident in Nagaland's Oting, Mon, I express deepest condolences to the families of those who have lost their lives. A high-level SIT constituted by the state government will thoroughly probe this incident to ensure justice to the bereaved families. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio also took to Twitter to promise that justice will be delivered. The unfortunate incident leading to killing of civilians at Oting, Mon is highly condemnable. Condolences to the bereaved families and speedy recovery of those injured. High-level SIT will investigate and justice will be delivered as per the law of the land. Appeal for peace from all sections, tweeted Chief Minister Rio. The Mon area is the stronghold of Naga Group, NSCN and even ULFA, and the incident comes ahead of the state's signature Hornbill Festival, which will be attended by several diplomats who are already in the area. The Konyak community, to which the villagers belonged, said it has decided to abstain from any further participation in the Hornbill Festival. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi also tweeted a cutting of the news. Mr. Gandhi wrote, "This is heart-wrenching. GOI must give a reply. What exactly is the Home Ministry doing when neither civilians nor security personnel are safe in our own land?" Trinamool MP Sushmita Dev, reacting to the incident, wrote on Twitter, "The news about civilians being killed in Nagaland is worrying. What really happened will we never know. Till today, we don't know what really triggered the Assam-Mizoram border clash on 26 July, killing Assam police personnel and a civilian." Yanger Longkumer, the secretary of Nagaland Congress, wrote, "Very sad and ghastly visuals coming in from a remote location in Nagaland where security forces are reported to have moved down several civilians. I urge the government to initiate a prompt and thorough investigation into the incident. My heart goes out to bereaved families."